Hello everyone, welcome to this brand new Python course. This course is going to be hands-on. It will be interactive course. So I will present you with some slides and follow those with a practical demo. I believe to become a successful software developer, you need to learn by doing it. So whenever I am coding, you can follow along, or if you think that you need to focus, then you can watch the video till the end and then repeat the same steps yourself. This will make sure that you understood all the concepts pretty well. I will also be giving you some exercises and I will provide the solution to those exercises myself. Your code may look different than mine, but that's okay. In this course, we are only focusing on learning the language. So let's get started. First of all, let's understand what is programming. We know that computers are faster than humans and they can do repetitive tasks quite accurately. So we can get the repetitive and complicated tasks done by computers. For that, we need to instruct computers about what task we want to perform. Computer systems don't understand English. They only understand binary code, which is bunch of ones and zeros. If we had to instruct with that language, it would be very difficult for humans. So the smart people in the industry have developed languages like Python to interact with computers. So we can write code that looks kind of in between plain English and binary code. It has its own grammar rules, just like any other language. If you don't follow these rules, the computers will have a hard time understanding your instructions, and that's when they throw syntax errors. So in this course, we are going to understand the rules and syntax of Python programming language. Let's go over some of the history of Python. Python was developed in the year 1991 by a software engineer named Guido van Rossum. The latest major version of Python is Python 3. There are two versions of Python which are very popular, Python 2 and Python 3. We will be using Python 3 in this course, and that's the latest version. Python 2 will be supported up to the end of 2020. Some of the features of the language are that it's general purpose language and can be used for almost any task. It's platform independent. It means it can work on different operating systems. We can pick the code developed on Windows operating system and run it on Linux operating system. So it's cross-platform. It is object-oriented language. If you are not aware of the object-oriented programming, don't worry. We will discuss it in the later part of this course. Basically, it's a technique to write large complicated software systems, and Python supports that programming style. It's a higher level language, so you don't have to deal with binary code yourself. Python code almost looks like English sentences, so it's relatively easy to learn but still very powerful and fast. Let's discuss which companies are using Python at the moment. Many large companies are using Python for its ease of use and its powerful support with large library of packages. Companies like Google, Amazon, Spotify have embraced the power of Python programming language. Facebook and Microsoft also leverage this for supporting many of their data platforms. With recent trends in machine learning and data science, Python is one of the most popular languages in the world of computer science. You can use Python for data analytics tasks as well as artificial intelligence applications, we can develop web applications using easy-to-use frameworks like Django or Flask. Many developers also work on developing desktop applications using Python. Python is also used in Internet of Things as well as for code controlling different robotic systems. So overall, Python is multi-purpose language and learning it would open up many career opportunities for you.